Years ago, two men were working in the forest. The young man challenged an older man to chop wood. They began. The young man in a frenzied hurry, the older man steady in his swings. Every once in a while, the older man would take a break, sit on the back of his truck. When the end of the day came, the young man, sore and wet from sweat, looked at the results. The older gentleman had cut much more wood. How could that be? The young man questioned. Addressing the older man, he said, "You went slower, and you would take rest when you needed it." The old man replied, "Did you notice what I did when I took my rest? I was sharpening my axe." Sometimes people get so rushed in life, they wonder why things don't work out, why they can't seem to get things right. They're exhausted from their frenzied pace, but they don't take time to sharpen the tools of their spirit. They struggle until they're exhausted. Maybe they haven't learned to spend time doing the important things that will sharpen their axe, like taking a rest on the weekends, to spend time with God in worship. Jesus said, "Follow me, and I will give you rest for your souls."